When you think about the Chevy Trailblazer, probably taking you back to 2009. It's about as dated as the paper that this is on. Welcome to 2021 Trailblazer. All right, guys, so behind me I've got a 2021 LS all-wheel drive Trailblazer, and I want to go through the standard features. I'm talking safety and comfort, the things that are super important for you. So the first thing I want to go through, it's got auto emergency braking, and that's matched with the emergency pedestrian braking as well. So if you're driving through a school zone, you're worried about kids popping out or anything like that, the vehicle's going to stop automatically for you, which is a great bonus. Another great feature is the Intelli high beam headlight system. So when you are driving on the highway at night, you got your high beams on, somebody drives past you, it's going to automatically flick them off for you, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. Another great feature, it comes with 10 airbags from factory as a standard feature. Absolutely great, keeping you and your family safe, obviously. Another great standard feature as well, this one does have the start-stop technology. Obviously why that's important to you is saving gas. Saving money is important to everyone. Let the vehicle do the work for you. I do want to go through the engine and the transmission, so if you guys want to follow me. So we're under the hood of the Trailblazer, and the standard engine that you're going to find in the Trailblazer is going to be a 1.2 liter turbocharged engine. It's going to grab you 137 horsepower and 162 foot-pounds of torque, and it's going to get you 29 miles per gallon. However, this 2021 has the upgraded 1.3 liter turbocharged engine, giving you 155 horsepower and 175 foot-pounds of torque. And the crazy thing, a 9.4 0 to 60. Absolutely. And you're still gonna get 31 miles per gallon out of that. So I don't know if you like to go a little bit faster and save a little bit more money. The 1.3 just makes sense. I'm gonna show you a few more standard features inside though. All right guys, like I said, we're talking about standard features here and no nut transmission. However, the Trailblazer comes standard with a 9-speed transmission no matter what model you get, which is how we're able to get that 31 miles per gallon or the 29 miles per gallon out of the 1.2 and the 1.3. Now, having the ability to shut off all-wheel drive is a huge feature. So in the all-wheel drive model for the Trailblazer, any Trailblazer that you get, you will be able to allow it to be front-wheel drive, saving you fuel without having to turn the back wheels. The nice thing in Canada is we're gonna need that all-wheel drive, so you have the selector just right there. You also have a sport mode, unlocking a little bit more of the engine if you're a red light racer, and we do have the lane keep assist and lane departure warning, which is a great feature if you're on the highway and you're just looking to kind of just stay comfortable and just cruise. It's gonna help you stay between the two lines on the highway and just keep you and your family safe. Another great feature is the auto shut off. It's there just to save you fuel. It's a great feature. I know a lot of people aren't quite on board with it yet. Literally just there to save you money. Take advantage of that. Now, on the touchscreen up here, we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's going to be standard features with the Trailblazer wired in, as well as it does have wireless Bluetooth, which is another bonus. We're talking about standard features. If you're like me, you like safety, you like comfort, and you love technology, this is the perfect vehicle for you. Now that we've seen how awesome the standard features are on the Trailblazer, it's time to knock it up another notch.
Hey, I'm Sean. This is the RS Trailblazer. So this has all those great standard features that Mitch was telling you about, plus a little bit more. So I'll show you what makes the RS the RS. This one, of course, is in the beautiful Oasis Blue. One of my favorite looks for the Trailblazer, especially with the RS grille, the smoked chrome instead of the regular chrome. Of course, you've got the black roof, which is signature RS, as well as black mirror caps, and the nice RS wheels. So it's a gorgeous looking car. It's also going to do some gorgeous things for you. So if you want to come inside, so as you can see, the RS Trailblazer takes a few steps on the interior. It's obviously got the red stitching on the dash as well as in the upgraded seats. You've got the RS badge on your shifter, a little bit of red trim around here as well as around your vents. And some nice stitching down here too. That's not all the RS can give you. It can also have some cool stuff like wireless phone projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is going to give you the ability to pull up your Google Maps without having to actually plug your phone in, just connecting to Bluetooth. Wireless phone chargers, adaptive cruise control, an upgraded infotainment screen, upgraded Bose speakers, LED headlights, and even an HD upgraded rear vision camera. So these things have all the technology. Basically, you can make it your own. You can even get a sunroof in one of these. They make Trailblazers to suit every lifestyle, whether it be something like our baby blue RS, maybe our beautiful red LS. We also make LTs and Actives, and there's more on the way. So this is the future of Chevy's SUVs, and we couldn't be more excited to have them. Thank you.